whatever length of time that space isn't a need, the 2019 Buick Encore conveys a refined affair and premium feel. Buick's vehicles convey simply enough extravagance to the table to be a commendable update over their Chevy partners, and the Encore acquires that notoriety, as long as the confinements expedited by its size are represented. With a pleasantly completed inside and calm ride, the Encore has high focuses deserving of say. All things considered, we've appraised the Encore a 5 since its limited inside and tight secondary lounges diminish the general bundle. There are no privileged insights about the span of the Encore, and purchasers in the market for a hybrid of this size are not likely searching for a vehicle that can pull 7 individuals and the greater part of their rigging. The Encore fills its need well. It's a little runabout sufficiently fit to move 2 or 3 individuals, possibly 4, however just barely, and a negligible measure of payload around. Even without a focal armrest, the front seats figure out how to be steady and agreeable. The second column will be a testing fit for generally grown-ups. It has constrained leg and headroom, particularly with the discretionary moonroof. Travelers will end up shoulder to bear much of the time, and everything except the littlest back confronting auto seats are beyond reach for the Encore. With the back seats up, the Encore conveys 19 cubic feet of payload space, which for examination is not as much as a Toyota Prius. With the seats collapsed down, be that as it may, space increments to 48 cubic feet, a respectable sum. You won't pull that old sofa to the landfill in your Encore, yet the vehicle is appropriate for youthful families or individuals without youngsters. Where it misses the mark in space, the Encore makes up with refinement. Buick has filled the little SUV with premium feel materials and an assortment of shading choices. Cowhide isn't accessible until the point when you move up to the Essence trim, yet the inside is satisfactory in material trim. The Encore's sound stifling and acoustic glass make a case-like affair that is uncommon in vehicles of this size, which makes the discretionary Bose sound framework all the more pleasant.